Free AI tools that beat paid ones. You're probably using some fancy paid AI tools right now, but what if I told you that some completely free AI tools aren't just good, they're better than the paid ones? Yep, today I'm revealing 8 powerful, totally free AI tools that are blowing their premium competitors out of the water. Stay till the end. The last one will seriously change how you work forever. Let's dive in. First up, Notion AI. If you're paying monthly for Jasper or Copy AI, stop. Notion AI gives you writing help, summaries, brainstorming, even action item generation, all on the free plan. It's fast, it's built into your workspace, and it's smarter than most single-purpose writing bots. Next, Microsoft Designer. While Canva Pro makes you pay for templates and AI design tools, Designer offers text-to-image features, automatic layouts, and branding tools for free. Need a poster, a thumbnail, or an Instagram ad? Designer handles it all with just a few prompts, and it's powered by the same AI engine as DALL-E. Now let's talk writing and coding. Tool number 3, Poe by Quora. While ChatGPT Plus costs you $20 a month, Poe gives you GPT-4, Claude, and more for free with daily usage caps. You can switch between AI models instantly and compare results across bots. It's like having a personal AI lab in your pocket. Up next, Cody by Sourcegraph. If you're a developer using GitHub Copilot, you'll want to hear this. Cody offers context-aware coding that works with your whole repo, and it's free for individuals. It integrates with VS Code, supports multi-language projects, and honestly, it understands large code bases better than Copilot in many cases. And here's a hack for writers. Use Grammarly's free plan for grammar, then clean up and elevate your writing with ChatGPT. You'll sound like a pro without paying Grammarly's premium price tag. Now, let's get creative. Number 6, Leonardo.Ai and Ideogram. While Midjourney charges for image generation, these tools offer free, high-quality visuals. No subscription needed. Leonardo gives you photorealistic characters, environments, and styles, perfect for games, art, or marketing. And Ideogram? It's one of the only free tools that nails text on images. Think logos, t-shirts, social posts, and yes, it's all commercial use friendly. Want to go a step further? Check out Pika Labs and Runway ML. These are free tier video tools that use AI to create motion graphics, VFX, and even full scenes from a simple prompt. No Adobe Premiere. No After Effects, just type, click, and export. And finally, the one tool you might already have, ChatGPT free with GPT-4o. With the 2025 upgrade, free users now get multimodal input, lightning-fast replies, and logic that rivals premium assistance. For writing, planning, learning, even coding, this free version of ChatGPT now outperforms many $30 a month apps. If you haven't tried it lately, it's time. So there you have it, 8 completely free AI tools that are actually better than the paid ones. Which one are you using next? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more free AI finds, and hit that bell to stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, stay smart, stay creative, and stop overpaying for AI.